Growing up, mom always used this home remedy cough medicine for us. But I always thought it was a fluke until I tried it a few years back, and now I'm stuck. Well, here's how you make it. You need organic unprocessed shea butter, palm oil, and a pinch or two of salt. You mix together until it slightly becomes thin paste. You take a tablespoon and your cough stops almost instantly. Yeah, you heard me. It really does. Now, this doesn't take away the importance of seeing a doc or using cough syrups, okay? It's just something that works for me and I thought to share. So, if you want to give it a try, this is my home remedy cough medicine.